19-year-old woman who died on September 29th will appear before the Lucknow bench of the Allahabad High Court amid tight security today. They are en route to Lucknow right now with proper security arrangement. The visuals of your screen is of the family, the Hathras victims, Hathras victims' family who's traveling to Lucknow right now. Proper security arrangements have been made. District Magistrate and Superintendents of Police are also accompanying the family. My colleague Piyush has been tracking the victims' family and getting us more details on the same. Now, of course, the visuals on your screen right now are the Hathras victims' family who are traveling to Lucknow right now. They're also going. The SDM has also issued a statement on this for the benefit of our viewers. Let's play that out.
सुरक्षा प्रॉपर पूरी सुरक्षा की पूरी व्यवस्था की गई है, समुचित सुरक्षा है और इसके अलावा डीएम सर और एसपी सर भी जाएंगे।
वो भी कॉन्वॉय का हिस्सा होंगे या वो लोग अलग से जाएंगे?
वो भी साथ में ही लगभग जाएंगे। अभी यहाँ से हम लोग जा रहे हैं, बाकी वो सर भी साथ में।
एक आखिरी सवाल है आपसे, एक आखिरी सवाल है कि जब परिवार यहाँ से निकलेगा तो क्या सीधे कोर्ट में जाएंगे या फिर प्रशासन के लोगों से वहाँ पर उच्च अधिकारियों से मुलाकात भी होगी परिवार की?
अभी हम लोग का कोर्ट जाने का ही है, बाकी जैसा भी निर्देश।
परिवार ये बोल रहे थे 5 मेंबर छोड़ के उनका और 2-3 मेंबर।
नहीं, अभी 5 लोग परिवार के सदस्य हैं। हाँ, उनके पिताजी जाएंगे, माताजी जाएंगी, उनके दोनों भाई जाएंगे और भाभी जाएंगे।
Now, coming towards my colleague Piyush, who's been tracking the story. Piyush, the victim's family is on their way to Lucknow right now. 2:15 to 2:30 p.m. We're getting in news that the Allahabad High Court will hear this matter. What's awaited? What's on everybody's know? Over to you now for more details.
Well, today it's going to be a very important day as far as the Hathras case is concerned, because the family members of the victim are now en route to Lucknow. We have been showing since morning that how they have been taken into tight security and senior officials are present. Let us also tell to our viewers that today it's going to be a very crucial day when Allahabad High Court's Lucknow bench will be hearing the version of the family members of victim. And we know that on October 1st, suo motu cognizance was taken by the court in which it had lashed out at the administration for not giving proper treatment to the victim. So since then we have seen that how there has been a lot of politics also, and today it's going to be a very important day. In Hathras, CBI is investigating this case. CBI officials will be reaching, and today as we are speaking, the family members are being taken to court. Let me also try to show you the pictures. Gaurav is showing you the live and exclusive pictures. Republic Media Network is the only channel showing you the live pictures of this convoy. We are following them since 6 a.m. in the morning, and you can see that how in tight security vigil the family members of victim are being taken to Lucknow. Let us also update to our viewers that we have now crossed Kannauj. We believe that in another 1.5 to 2 hours we will be reaching Lucknow. And like Vivek, our colleague, is reporting from Lucknow, and he is also giving us some live updates about the proceedings. What we are learning is that at around 2:15 to 2:30 the case will be heard by the Allahabad High Court's Lucknow bench. We are showing you the live pictures of this convoy. Family members are being taken in tight security vigil. Every moment is being thoroughly checked, and also what we are seeing while we are moving from Hathras to Lucknow, whenever we cross any single district, any district, the police personnel of that particular district come and they start giving security. So complete security vigil has been provided to the victim's family. We know that CBI is also going to do its investigation. They have already registered FIR in this case, and they have registered FIR under various sections, right, including gang rape, murder, and attempted murder. So in all these sections, investigation will take place. Now we'll have to wait and watch what will be the further course of action at the part of Central Bureau of Investigation. Yesterday itself, in a statement, CBI had said that it is registering FIR on the request of UP government and further on the notification of Indian government. So now we'll have to wait and watch how the agencies are going to work on this. We have already seen that how there has been massive flip-flop of these statements, and also many testimonies have come out. Yesterday itself, we exclusively spoke to the doctor who had first attended the victim, in which he confirmed to us that he did not find any signs of rape. So many things have now come out. It's on the agencies as to how they investigate the case.
Of course, that was my colleague Piyush, who's been tracking all the latest updates coming for you. We're the only channel, as he said, who's tracking the families whose family is on its way to Lucknow right now. We also got news from our reporter that they have crossed Kannauj. That means they're an hour and a half away from Lucknow. At 2:15, the Allahabad High Court and the Lucknow bench is to hear the case. Now, the latest update coming in yesterday was that the CBI took over the case.